हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप यू पीपल आर सेफ एंड डूइंग वेल। फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल J.Kapil JK न्यूज़ JK अपडेट्स। तो आज हम बात करेंगे एक न्यू सब 4 मीटर एसयूवी की, दैट इज़ किया सोनेट। एंड आज हम इसका ऑनरशिप रिव्यू करेंगे। आई एम द ऑनर ऑफ दिस ब्रांड न्यू किया सोनेट। एंड अभी मैंने 2300 किलोमीटर इसको रफली चलाया है। एंड जिसमें मैंने जयपुर के 2 टूर लगाए हैं इससे। एंड 1 टूर आई हैव डन विद द सांवरिया सेट ऑफ कोर्स। सो मैं आज आपको बताऊंगा कि वाई आई चूज़ दिस कार इंस्टेड ऑफ XUV 300, टाटा नेक्सॉन एंड अदर सब 4 मीटर SUVs लाइक Hyundai Venue एज वेल। एंड इसमें आज मैं आपको शेयर करूंगा कि क्या इसके प्रॉस हैं, क्या इसके कॉन्स हैं, क्या कंफर्ट इसमें है, क्या डिस्कम्फर्ट इसमें है, क्या इसका माइलेज है, क्या इसका पोटेंशियल है। सभी चीज़ें इसमें आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। एंड दिस इज़ अ प्योर ऑनरशिप रिव्यू, नथिंग पेड प्रमोशन। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी। थैंक यू। लेट्स सी, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो अगेन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, it is my brand new Kia Sonet. You can see the interior, exterior part, and I will show you the interior part. देखिए, जैसे कि इसका स्लोगन है वाइल्ड बाय डिज़ाइन, तो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज क्लिक इन माय माइंड दैट इट्स रियली वाइल्ड बाय डिज़ाइन. द डिज़ाइन वाज रियली ऑसम एंड आई चूज द ब्लैक कलर एंड इट इज़ द HTX डीजल मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन. आपको इसमें STK प्लस भी मिलता है, आपको इसमें STK मिलता है, बट फीचर लोडेड और वैल्यू फॉर मनी, दिस इज़ द वेरिएंट. So you can see behind also the alloy wheels you will get, the chrome work you will get, and the new Kia logo you will get, as well as the chrome side windows you will get. Moreover, the thing is that the tiger nose grille, which really enhance the look of this car. So you will also get to know about it. So this tiger nose grille really enhance the value of this car. So this is the exterior part, I tell you. And if I talk about the interior part, so you can see the sunroof over here. It's a quite a decent size sunroof you will get. And what very premium interior you will get, the 8.2 inches touch screen with the auto climate control air condition and 6-speed manual gear with the reverse transfer. And as well you get the full armrest here. Height adjustable seat you will get. And if I talk about the rear view, you can see the rear AC is also there. And one thing you will get, the rear curtain shaders you will get in this HTX diesel manual. And the rear seat and the rear headrest is also there. So you can see the rear headrest is also quite decent. And rear space is also good for the 3 person as well. And all 4 power windows with the leather cut finishing on the every armrest. So here we go with that. First of all, dear friends, मुझे इसको इंटीरियर बहुत अच्छा लगा है. And icing on the cake is that it is having the cruise control as well. So cruise control is a very beneficial for the highway rides. You will get the wonderful mileage with the cruise control. And auto mounted controls, MID controls, all the things that you can see that I have driven it to 2300 kilometers as well. So it's a wonderful experience I must sharing with you, because यार गाड़ियाँ बहुत सारी हैं, but what to choose and which car is the suitable for me. So I will tell you, let's find out. So friends, आपने देखा कि इसका इंटीरियर, इसका एक्सटीरियर बहुत ही प्रीमियम है. बहुत ही जो एक्सटीरियर है, जो लुक्स हैं, वाइल्ड बाय डिज़ाइन है, बहुत ही प्रीमियम लगती है गाड़ी. जब रोड पे इसका एक जो प्रेजेंस है वो एक वंडरफुल प्रेजेंस है. प्लस इसका जो इंटीरियर है वो बहुत प्रीमियम है, जो आपको 8.2 इंचेस का टच स्क्रीन मिलता है. प्लस आपको क्रूज़ कंट्रोल इस STX वेरिएंट में मिल जाता है. और आई थिंक HTX वेरिएंट इज़ अ वेरी वैल्यू फॉर मनी वेरिएंट, आई मस्ट शेयर विद यू गाइज. तो अगर आपका, इफ़ यू पीपल आर प्लानिंग फॉर टू बॉट Kia Sonet, then go for the HTX manual. And if your mileage is not concerned with you, mileage का कोई issue नहीं है, then go for HTX IMT. My rides are more, so I prefer diesel. Earlier I was also having a diesel car, that was Swift Desire. So diesel, I prefer always the diesel car more. So, and I am very much satisfied with this car because diesel is 90 rupees in Rajasthan, and it is giving me around a highway mileage of 23, 24, and city rides 15 to 16 kilometers. So it's quite decent for me as well. But if you get a little bit lower side mileage on the petrol versions, because they are IMT and city rides, there are a lot of traffics, and it's about all about your driving pattern. So probably you will get not the mileage of 12, 13 or maximum 14 the city rides with the petrol version, and on highway you will get decent mileage with the cruise control and all. सो अब बात करते हैं कि कहाँ हमें स्टॉप करना है, कहाँ हमें ठहरना है, बिंदु कहाँ विश्राम करता है, वेयर वी हैव टू स्टॉप हियर. सो कंक्लूज़न की अगर बात करें तो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ वंडरफुल कार. बहुत ही अमेजिंग फीचर्स हैं, फीचर लोडेड है आई मस्ट से. ये करीबन 13 लाख के आसपास पड़ती है डीज़ल जो है, और 12 लाख के आसपास इसका जो पेट्रोल IMT वेरिएंट है वो पड़ता है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑन रोड प्राइजेस. डीज़ल अगर आपकी रनिंग ज़्यादा है तो गो फॉर डीज़ल. इट्स अ गुड वन, गुड चॉइस एज वेल, क्योंकि डीज़ल इकोनॉमिकल भी है और एवरेजेस काफ़ी अच्छे निकल के आते हैं डीज़ल से. अब बात करते हैं सेकेंडली कि कंक्लूज़न क्या है, दैट वाई आई चूज़ किया सोनेट इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस Hyundai Venue, Tata Nexon and XUV 300. So friends, when I see this car, I fell in love with the design. Honestly, I'm telling you. And moreover, before the salesman demonstrated all the things, I fell in love with this car because it really wild by design. And the premium features, of course, was the cherry on the cake. And moreover, if I talk about the Tata Nexon, it's also a wonderful car, no doubt. Tata is also doing the wonders in the market right now. So it's also very good car, but somehow I didn't like the design as well, much as well. And even my family members not wanted that don't go with Tata. Tata is absolutely very, if you want a very tanker-like car, you want a fully loaded safety features car, then definitely you can go with the Tata Nexon. And you will get the premium things in Tata Nexon too. But my choice, my taste was different. So it's all about the taste of an individual. Secondly, if I talk about the XUV 300, yes, of course, it's a wonderful car. But if you are having a daily long rides, it's a very powerful car basically. It's not suitable for the city rides. So my work is like that. I have to drive in the city as well as highways often. So it was not my cup of tea again, but it's also high rated safety cars, wonderful car, but it's not my cup of tea. I want a premium car. I wanted a car that is having all the features, all the like sunroof and all. You will get all the features in Nexon XUV 300 as well, but somewhere design and smartness and classy looks are wins this Kia Sonet. So this is my genuine review about the Kia Sonet. And yes, of course, I forget to tell you about the Hyundai Venue, that why I have not chosen the Hyundai Venue design. I didn't like, honestly. It was a good car. I ride that car. I have taken a test drive, but honestly, I didn't like the design as well. So finally I find this, and even I have drive 2300 kilometers, you can see in the MID also. I'm fully satisfied with this car. Services part is also good. I called that first service has been done. It was nothing in the first service, but I called that guy. If you are living in a periphery of 10 kilometers, then the person will come and he will take your car and get it serviced and get it done. So no need to worry about the service, and it was a 0 rupees only, I think, for the 1 year. So I think services are good. Kia support system is very good. People are attending the customers very well. So I have bought this car from the Kia Motors Kota, Galaxy Kia. It's Mr. Sumit Agarwal is the director over there. He's a very gentle fellow, very nice fellow. So friends, this was my review about the Kia Sonet. If you want to ask any questions, you can comment me, and I have put my number over there. You can directly ask me some questions. So go for it. If you are planning a SUV, mid subcompact, if you are planning to buy, then go for this car. It's a wonderful car. You will enjoy the ride. I just want to say one, that is I will tell you all the pros. There is a one con also, because there is a one con also. I will tell you also that in this car, if you are doing a city rides, it's a having little bit stiff suspension. You may feel the jerk if you are in a good speed of 40 or 50 kilometers in a city, and if the speed breaker will come, then definitely you will feel the jerk. But if you are in a highway, you will feel like that you are sitting at a couch. But in a city rides, you will feel some jerks, and moreover, in the city rides, you will, because of the high ground clearance it is having. So this must be a small con. Yeah, I find it this my car. All else is a good car. It's a best car. I must say, I have a sunroof. What I wanted more. I have a good music system and all the premium things they have covered in this Kia Sonet. So thank you so much. Thanks for the watching video. I hope we'll see with the next video very soon. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Take care. Stay safe. Stay well. Bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.